Okay, so you've got your affiliate link here to a Clickbank product, but you want to go ahead and use your custom domain that you've bought to redirect to this affiliate link. So you don't have to send people this like really long spammy link. So what you need to do is you first need to go ahead and copy your affiliate link and then go to your custom domain. Now you may have bought your domain on Namecheap, you could have bought it on GoDaddy, literally any domain registration company you can do this on, but I've bought my domain on Namecheap, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my dashboard and find the domain that I've bought just for this video. So I'm going to promote here this Wood Profits product here. So I've bought a domain called woodprofitsyt.online, which I'm going to go ahead and go to manage, which will take me into the backend. Again, you can do this on GoDaddy or any other domain registration company. You just want to make sure that you got the Namecheap basic DNS settings on, or the basic DNS settings on GoDaddy. And then where it says here redirect domain, on Namecheap, all you have to do is click add redirect, then simply enter in your domain. So it's already here for me, woodprofitsyt.online. Then I'm gonna go ahead and paste in the destination URL, which is our Clickbank link. And you're not done yet. You need one more, and you need your domain with www. at the front. So I've got here www.woodprofitsyt.online and I've got woodprofitsyt.online, and we're sending both of them to our Clickbank affiliate link. So once we've done that, that's pretty much it. You now just need to wait between 10 to 15 minutes for all of the changes to go into effect. I'll try it now, though it might work. So if I go to an incognito, I type in www.woodprofits.yt.online. It may work, it may not. And you can see here, it does work and it takes us to that Clickbank product. And that's all you've got to do. You can get it set up within 5 minutes.